For this look, I'm using Holo Taco's Long Lasting Base, Holo Taco's Bottle Service, Holo Taco's Fallen Flake Taco, Maniology's B191 Lily Pad, Maniology's B171 Straight Up Black, Maniology plate M267 with 2 different designs layered, and Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco. We start with a base coat to seal the manicure to our nail plate. Then I'm doing a base color of Bottle Service. I needed 2 coats to acquire full opacity. Next, I added Fallen Flake Taco on top for some nice iridescent shift in addition to the shininess of the gold. I'm using Lily Pad for my base part of the stamp design. And then Straight Up Black for the accent. Finally, I'm using Super Glossy Taco to make the manicure shiny and seal it all in for long-lasting wear. Enjoy!